Hey, what's up guys? This is Fix It Felix, and today I wanted to talk about a 2007 Nissan Murano. The problem I was getting was the AC wasn't working. Even though the AC compressor was turning on, it wasn't blowing cold air. And I replaced the compressor thinking that was the problem, but it turns out it wasn't the problem. So the next step was to replace this. It's called a expansion valve. And I have let me show it to you right here. This is the bad part, and this is the number. I bought it at AutoZone for $34. So I already did the process, guys, so I'm sorry, but I'm gonna let you know that it's doable. You can replace the expansion valve. You just have to remove the glove box. Once you remove the glove box, you have to remove the blower. There's two screws right here, right there and right there, and you gotta remove these two right here and right here, so you can have movement, so you can take this out. And then you have to take all of this part right here, out of this black part. It's maybe like 7 or 8 screws that you have to take out. And once you remove this black cover, your expansion valve should be right there. It's connected to 2 hoses, so you got to remove the 2 hoses and then 2 little screws, which is these 2 right here, and then you can just pull it out. It's tight there pretty hard, so you gotta wiggle it and maybe use like something like this so you can pull it out. And by replacing this part, my AC is working now perfectly, no problems. So that's it, guys. This is just a quick video to show you that if you replace the AC compressor and you still have this problem, then your problem is the expansion valve. $35, $36 at AutoZone, and it's gonna take you no more than an hour and a half or so to replace. Guys, few things I have to mention. Whenever you remove the expansion valve, there's still pressure inside for the AC Freon. So you can go to your mechanic or to get the air that's inside to get it out, and then you can remove this. Because if you remove it while it's there, and if the Freon is still inside, a lot of Freon is gonna come out, and that's not healthy. And once you replace the expansion valve, you have to add 2 Freons to the car, and you should start having cold air. So alright guys, have a good day, and please comment, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you. Bye.